Hi crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and I have a small unboxing from MFT stamps, my favorite things. So I haven't ordered from them in a while, but I spotted a product that I simply had to have, so I placed this order recently. They have really fast shipping. They're in the US. Oh, I forgot they do this. They always give you a little jelly belly. I love that. Anyway, I'm going to open this up and show you what I got. It's not a whole lot, but like I said, they had some cute stuff that I had to get. Okay, now first of all, the reason for my order was actually this. I don't know if this is something that they've always had, if this is something that they had in retirement and brought back, but if you can see this, it's a Converse high top, and I love it. So I have many pairs of Chucks, that's what I call them. And my daughter actually has now started wearing my original one. So my original pair, they're plaid and they're amazing. They're 30 years old now. And now my daughter can wear them. So she's rocking her Converse. She's got her own. I've still got quite a collection, but I just thought this was so cool. So this is a really cool, something for maybe if you have cards for teenagers or tweens. You could do it with patterned paper. You could stamp on it to kind of make it custom. She actually customizes Chucks, so she has some that she's drawn on for me, like drawn a bird on, and she has some that she's drawn on for her, like she drew axolotls, and she has a pair that has birds on them. So I've been finding them on Marketplace used, so they aren't so expensive, but she's got many different colors like I do now. So anyway, I thought this was so cool, and I had to have it. Let me see how big this is to give you some perspective. This is about, okay, 3 3/4 inches wide, right? And then this is about 2 1/4 inches because this would overlay this. So if you did, you know, like a black Converse shoe and then you wanted the white ribbing. So very cool. It's got the star and all these other little things. Oh, you could put the little, these go over the lace holes, and this, obviously, the star will go inside the circle. So very cool, very detailed. I'm super excited about that. So it'll work for cards for her friends too. So, okay. Then, so this was the main reason. And then I saw this and I thought it was really cool. I don't know, this might be something that's, I know some of the stuff I got is in retirement. So if you like it, then I would jump on it. I'll link everything below. I don't know how long or if stuff's still available, but I will link whatever I can below. But it has this big happy, and then it has these really cool kind of scripty sub-sentiments. So you make my heart happy, you make me crazy happy, happy everything, happy being your friend, sending some happy your way for you, anniversary, birthday, to love you, happy to love you. So super cute. I just thought that font was interesting, and I love the little scripty font. Now this one has the swear word on it, so if you're easily offended, but it's a Cancer one. So it has some Cancer and some sub-sentiments. So for various people I know battling that right now, it's a good one to have. Oh, this one is gorgeous. This is nice and imposing in size. So it is about 4 inches wide and looks like 1 3/4 inches tall. So this is a nice big size. I love that the Celebrate is all connected because y'all know I like it easy and quick. And I don't want to be messing with little fiddly bits. And it has this shadow layer as well, so you can do it with or without. I just thought it was a really good general use. You know, you could use Celebrate for any number of things, whether it's, you know, birthdays or weddings or anything, retirement, you name it. And then finally, this is the last thing I got. I just thought this was so cool. It's kind of, I don't even know what genre you would call that, but it's called Geometric Greenery. And I thought these sentiments were nice too. So you're a blessing in my life. I'm thrilled for you. So truly grateful for everything. Infinitely grateful. So I love that about my favorite things. They tend to have some really unique sentiment stamps. They're some of my favorites. So yeah, very cool. These would be fun. I could imagine like a wispy, excuse me. I could imagine like a wispy, like little watercolor kind of swatch, or maybe like a ink smushing with this stamped in black on top of it, just kind of artsy and graphic. So very cool. So that is my little mini haul for my favorite things. Like I said, I will link everything below in the video description box. If you follow my links, it's no additional cost to you. It just really does help out the creators that you follow. So if you want to help them out, following their links is definitely the way to do it. Oh, and allowing cookies also, which is kind of a new thing that we've realized has messed up some credits that we'll get for our affiliate pay. So just so you know that. But thank you so much for spending time with me. I appreciate it. I will catch you next time.